Hello everyone, this is Sanskriti, your host for today, and once again we welcome Nikki Tamboli to Bollywood Live. Welcome.
Hi.
So, firstly, we would want to know how is your health and your family's health.
अच्छा आई एम डूइंग वेल मुझे मैं तो ठीक हूँ ठीक है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मेरा बट माय फैमिली माय ब्रदर इज इन कीपिंग वेल एंड वी आर जस्ट praying for a speedy recovery.
Also, this pandemic has taken away a lot from us, and it has impacted us mentally. And you have been through it. Now your brother is going through it. So, how have you kept yourself, away from those negative thoughts?
See, to be very honest, negativity बहुत है अभी भी आसपास में, but I'm just praying, I'm meditating. टीवी पे कुछ भी अनाप शनाप नहीं देख रही हूँ, नेगेटिव न्यूज नहीं देख रही हूँ. I'm just I'm talking to my mom, to my dad more than myself. I think so. My dad is staying positive, my mom is staying positive. तो हाँ, उन लोगों से बात करती रहती हूँ. I meditate a lot. तो उस वजह से पॉजिटिविटी थोड़ी बहुत है.
So apart from all this, we have heard a good news that you will be a part of Khatro Ke Khiladi. So what was your reaction when you heard this?
ओके सो जैसे ही मैं बिग बॉस से बाहर आई थी, आई थिंक सो विद इन few weeks or 1 week, I don't remember exactly, I got this offer and I told my brother, I called and I told my brother, and my brother is like, you have to do it no matter what. You have to do it because I see you there. I know as a person how you are. You love to accept challenges and everything, and you have so much of fear. हर चीज से तू डरती है, तो तुझे तेरे फियर को ओवरकम करने के लिए यू हैव टू डू द शो, एंड यू आर सुपर एंटरटेनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई थिंक सो यू आर सो परफेक्ट फॉर खतरो, एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, देन आई विल गो फॉर इट. एंड या आई सेड यस.
Also, you guys will be leaving for Khatro Ke Khiladi soon, right?
यस.
So have you started preparing yourself mentally and physically?
फिजिकली टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट नहीं, क्योंकि कोविड के बाद आई हैवंट स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट. और मतलब लाइक माय ब्रदर इज नॉट कीपिंग वेल, सो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट मच ऑफ मोटिवेशन. इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी टू बी मोटिवेटेड विद इन आवर सेल्फ ओनली, बट वो नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से. सो आई थिंक सो लेट्स सी, वहां जाने के बाद होपफुली आई विल बी अराउंड wonderful people and other contestants, and I'm sure that they will be working out, तो उनके साथ में workout कर लूंगी.
Yeah. Also, there'll be some very extreme tough stunts that will drain you mentally and physically, like those
Yeah,
animal stunts, that those insects and all. So are you
yeah.
prepared to face those?
See, I'm scared of everything. I'm scared of insects. I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of water. I'm scared of everything. But I have to overcome it, right? I can't be scared throughout my life. I have to overcome it. So mentally, I'm prepared. But कभी कभी आप अपना mental जो stability होता है, task देखते ही आप खो बैठते हो. So that may happen. वो वहां जाके ही पता चलेगा कितना क्या होता है. But mentally, as of now, I'm prepared and I have accepted it कि finally हाँ, this is not a dream. I'm going to खतरों के खिलाड़ी. भी 4 दिन बाद हमको उड़ना ही है वैसे भी ना. Three days के बाद we are flying to Cape Town. I'm very excited. I'm very very excited. I'm very excited actually. Yeah.
Also, just like Salman Khan, Rohit Shetty is one of those cool hosts we have. So are you
Yes.
excited to be performing stunts under his guidance?
Of course, I am very excited because I love doing stunts. Well, I'm not a trained one, but I love to do it. Or with the proper guidance and all, you have everyone around you, the best team. तो कुछ डरने की बात है नहीं. And I'm very excited to enjoy everything over there.
Yeah. Also, with you, some of your, big boss people are also there, like Rahul, and as per reports, Abhinav. So,
Yeah, yeah.
will it be a new start or the big boss thing will continue?
New stuff. Yeah, मतलब I may connect to new people as well. और पुराने तो है ही, अभिनव, राहुल, they are yeah, I think so, they are there only. But I may connect to the new contestants as well, because we all are going to support each other, to encourage each other, and to have fun. So of course.
So, you
Yeah.
have been shooting for a few projects recently. So, when
Yes.
can fans expect you on screen?
Acha, so I have shot for almost 3 music videos. One is for T series with Milind Gaba. The other one is Jazz Jaldar. It's a Punjabi song, sad song, and I have shot for the very first time my Punjabi song. I'm very excited for that. And one more I've shot with Tony Kakkar. So ये तीनों शायद से लगातार release होंगे. I think so because of the lockdown or everything ना. हम लोग अच्छे से प्लान करें कब रिलीज करना है कब नहीं, बट आई थिंक सो आई एम गोना बी इन केप टाउन, तब मेरे सारे गाने रिलीज होंगे, बट डेफिनेटली सून.
Yeah. Okay. So we are quite excited for Nikki's journey at Khatron Ke Khiladi. So all the best to you.
Thank you so much. So I'm very excited too.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
And take care. And I will definitely pray for your brother.
Thank you so much.